Good morning and welcome to the Bee Pete beekeeping channel. We are on the 30th of June and we are just doing inspection of the bees in a bin that we picked up the other night. And we're just going to see how they're doing. Not going to inspect them too heavily because I want to feed them more than anything. So this is the colony box, remember? So feed, we have a frame feeder here. These are going in nicely. Taken, they're perfectly happy. Obviously. Could say obviously if they're my bees, but that's okay. They're in a bin. Right, so this is the feed, this is the frame feeder, which has got a bit of mesh in there so bees can climb out if necessary. Just garden mesh, plastic, it's not gonna rust or anything. And this is just 1:1 sugar syrup. And that's all the sugar we had. Hey fellies, look at you lot. Well, you're super calm still. We've moved a bit of a distance now. Check that frame out. Just a spare frame I left in there just so they didn't actually start filling it up with something that I didn't want them to. I'm not going to be able to inspect these that well because they're not really connected in. Okay, no, but saying that, they kind of made connections. If you look at the bottom of the frame there, they've kind of made it into a connection. They're holding it steady there. The elastic bands are still holding strong. And they've kind of connected it to the side of the frame as well. Right, next one. Wow, they've actually drawn out the end bit and they've stuck it to the end. Let's see how they're doing over here. Yep, they stuck it to the top as well. That's actually a decent connection as well. Stop it moving too far. Yeah, it's going really nicely. There's eggs in that bit there, so that's okay. So she's okay. No, she's a lovely dark paint. Frame. Oh wow, they've stuck the frame to the top and the bottom. That's perfectly stuck. So we picked these up on Friday. Today is Monday. So fixing the house. Yeah, it's all good. Got the stores up here still. Good, I'm glad they've still got some stores. I'm frightened they might not have enough. Okay, lots of bees in here again, stuck to the top. So they're going to stick it to the top first, aren't they? So it doesn't fall off. But it's clever that they know that there's a gap at the top. I'm not going to mark Queenie or anything, so it'll be a distressing exercise if I find her. There's a little bunch of bees just at the bottom, and the rough kind of pieces of comb that we left them. Okay, so I'm going to move the roof back over. Okay, and this one. See if we can see Queenie anyway. I missed her, she might have been on one of the first frames that we went over. Anyway, not that it matters, because we know that she's there, she's laying eggs. Right, let's chuck in the frame feeder. There you go. Enjoy the drink, girlies. There's your lid. Okay, so that was bees in the bin, and they're all followed up. They're all good. We have no issues with them. Pleased with how they've got on. So thank you for watching the update. Please do comment, like and subscribe for more great content on the Bee Pete beekeeping channel. Thank you.